Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset the Settings app on Windows 10. The Settings app is a crucial component of your Windows 10 system, allowing you to customize various settings. In this guide, we will walk you through the simple steps to reset the Settings app, which can help resolve common issues. Let's get started. Hello there, Windows 10 users. If you are encountering problems with the Settings app or experiencing crashes, resetting it can often be an effective solution. Follow these steps to reset the Settings app on your Windows 10 device. Step 1. Begin by opening the Start menu on your Windows 10 device. Step 2. In the search bar, type Settings. Right-click on the top result and select the App Settings option. Step 3. Within the Settings app, scroll down and locate the Reset button. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. A confirmation window will appear. Click on the Reset button once again to confirm the reset process. It's important to note that while resetting the Settings app can resolve many common problems, it may not make a difference if the issues are caused by bugs. In such cases, an app update may be required for a complete resolution. Congratulations! You have successfully reset the Settings app on your Windows 10 device. By following these simple steps, you can resolve common issues and restore the functionality of the Settings app. Remember, the Settings app is a vital tool for customizing and managing your Windows 10 system. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and keep enjoying the optimized performance of your Windows 10 device.